Hello and welcome to the Code Swamis initiative, where we decided to bring the word of PowerShell and Microsoft technology to the entire world. Now, in today's video, in today's session, we'll discuss on how to save stuff that is outputted in your PowerShell session in your terminal, right? And if you're someone who's new to this channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure to hit that bell button so you get notified of all the videos. Yeah. So let's have a look at my PowerShell session. Now in this video, we decided to talk about how to save stuff which is outputted in the terminal, right? So there are multiple ways to do that. The first one, which is Start-Transcript and Stop-Transcript. Now this is helpful for everyone. I mean, it would behoove you if you are a support representative, a support technician who ask their customers to run these PowerShell scripts, right? So always have them run a start transcript in the beginning and a stop transcript at the end. Now this will output everything that's in the terminal, and it will save everything that's in the terminal to a text file. Let's have a look at what it does. Now start transcript, when it starts, it tells you where this file will be outputted. Then over here I have an error as well, just to see how it captures error. So over here we have where it create an array. This is an array that I have, that's a script, have your error and a stop transcript, and that's going to be outputted over here, right? So let's have a look at the output. If I open the output, it will give you a description about the session, right? It'll tell you about all this cool stuff. It'll tell you exactly what you ran in the session, and it would also give you the error. You remember the error we had over here, right? That error is also in the session. So this would of course be very important if you are a technician. If, or let's say you are working on PowerShell scripts on a regular basis, you want to know what happened in your session. What did you type? Because there could be a time where you do CLEAR, right? And now I don't know what happened in my session. But if you had it recorded, you would have everything you have, everything that you need. Another way to do this is if you output all this to a file. Now this is good when you're creating scripts, because when you're creating scripts, we're creating some automation. You want to know what your scripts do, right? So I told you earlier that we would save stuff to an array. This is my sample array. Now if I want to output this data to a text file, it'll output. Or you can do it to a log file if you want to save logs, right? Let's see what these files look like. Here, that array is outputted here. And if you want to save it as a text file, it's saved over here. Yeah, same thing. Another way is if I don't want to go ahead and open the file every single time, you can just output it to a grid view. This outputs your entire session, the entire variable, to another window. Over here, you can of course sort. You can sort by color, different things. You can also add your filters, right? You can add criteria over here. Let's say I do where color add contains yellow, YELLOW. Yeah, you see how this is very helpful if you're doing some quick checks. The last one and my favorite one, and this one is pretty nice really. You just output it to a clipboard. So the entire variable is outputted to clip or your clipboard. Now, if I want to paste it, I just do a Control V, right? This is also good if you're in the support field. You can ask your customer to just clip your output and send it, or you can clip and paste it to your friends. Yeah. Now, out of these four different types of four different types of outputs or the ways to save your sessions, I believe this one should be used by everyone. This one would be used by users who are creating scripts. You would always need to log your scripts. This is while creating scripts if you want to compare and contrast. And the final one is just your copy paste, because you don't want to do this and right click and copy, right? So I hope you found this video helpful. I'm very sure that all of y'all who are watching this video would not know everything that's in this video. So if you found it helpful, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. And thanks for watching. You have a great day. Cheers. Bye bye.